Cut the green beans to desired size and boil them in boiling water for 5 minutes, then transfer them to ice water to retain their color and drain. Chop the onion and sauté it with some oil until golden brown, then add the crushed garlic and sauté until golden. Add the ground beef to the pan and cook until browned, then add the green beans and sauté until slightly browned. Add turmeric, black pepper, red pepper, and salt, and mix well. Add tomato paste and cook until the color of the paste changes, then add half a cup of boiling water and let it simmer until the liquid evaporates. Add 2 tablespoons of brewed saffron and mix well. Wash the rice and cook it in boiling water with salt for 7 minutes, then drain. In a pot, heat some oil and salt, then add the sliced potatoes. Add the drained rice on top, followed by the meat mixture, some cinnamon powder, 3 tablespoons of brewed saffron, and half a cup of boiling water. Cook covered for 45 minutes. Enjoy your meal.